midnight tear in one with something in my head. I couldn't escape that memory of falling what you said. Like a game shot and just away the parting gift. I did not believe my eyes when I saw through the voice of a trusted friend.